Hey guys. This is Bastian. Today I'm going to show you how to use reverb properly on your lead sounds. So here I have 8 lead sounds and they are assigned to 8 different mixer tracks. These 8 individual mixer tracks are then routed to one common mixer track. Here I have already routed it to a common mixer track. But let me show you guys how I did it. Let's rename this common mixer track as leads bus. Here I have added some effects in the leads bus. But I haven't added the reverb yet. For that, we're going to sidechain the leads bus to another mixer track, and turn the sidechain mix knob all the way up. We're going to rename this as leads reverb. We're going to use this mixer track just for the reverb. Now I'm going to add a fruity reverb to the leads reverb mixer track. I'm going to turn the dry level all the way down to 0, since we already have the dry signal on the leads bus mixer track. Now I'm going to increase the wet level all the way up to 125%. I'm going to use a short decay time of 1.3 seconds, because there's not much gap between the notes of my melody, as you can hear and see. If I use a long decay, the reverb will clash with my leads. Now I'm going to set the room size to 90, because I'm aiming for a huge festival type lead sound. Now I'm going to turn off the low cut and high cut filter in the reverb, as I would be using a separate EQ later. Next, I'm going to add a kickstart to sidechain the reverb. Now let's go back to the leads bus, and add a Fruity Send plugin there. Then I'm going to open the Fruity Send, right-click on the Send to box, and click on Leads Reverb. This way we can listen to the reverb alone. Now let's EQ the reverb so that it doesn't mess with the dry signal of our leads. I'm going to use Fruity Parametric EQ2 for that. So that's it. Now we have a clean reverb sound. If you guys have any doubts or questions, please leave them in the comments below or contact me on any of my social media profiles. Also, please comment if you guys want me to make a tutorial regarding any specific topics you want. Please subscribe.